Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing data and getting into a controlled environment. First, use WinRe or a USB installer to access safe mode. This prevents the loop from retriggering drivers. Once done, disconnect non-essential USB devices and disable fast startup in UEFI to stop hardware initialization conflicts. Make sure to note recent changes like driver updates or Windows patches because those are often the root cause. This initial setup reduces variables so you can test fixes reliably. Now diagnose the system integrity and drivers that cause restarts. Run SFC and DISM to repair corrupted system files. These commands replace bad components so Windows can boot cleanly. Next, remove or roll back recently installed drivers or Windows updates because mismatched drivers often loop the boot process. Also examine boot logs and event viewer to pinpoint failing services and run chkdsk to catch disk errors. As you work, reboot into safe mode, then normal to confirm progress before proceed. Finish with targeted recovery steps. Use startup repair or a system restore point to revert harmful changes quickly. These preserve apps in most cases. If those fail, reset the PC with the Keep Files option or perform a clean reinstall after confirming your license and backups. Make sure to test RAM and storage if errors persist, since hardware faults mimic software loops. If things still go wrong, a full clean install usually clears software causes. Keep one key troubleshooting tip in mind: isolate hardware early.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.